Alright, so we've got this Rhino trolley here, which is the flimsiest piece of rubbish we've ever bought. Right, so you got your handle, the way it's connected, it just flops around on there, and then half the time when you turn this thing, oh now it's working, half the time this wheel will rather skid sideways than actually turn. It's got no bearings in there, it's just, if you look close, it just slides up in just a post sitting in a hole. These are all just really loose pins fitted together. Half the time this won't clip in because instead of, you know, rotating about here, it decides it would rather rotate about the clip, so it doesn't want to clip in. Anyway, it's worse than that $50 trolley I had from Kmart a few years ago. There we go, try and put the brake on. Or is it this way? There we go. Is that brake on or brake off? I don't know. Either way it just rolls, doesn't it? So that's pretty useless. It's just a piece of junk. And it's got hard wheels, hard plastic wheels, which serve only one purpose, and that's to pick up crap off the ground. So it's just useless. Don't buy it. Buy something else.